Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2023 Ford E450 base. Coming in this nice white color, and you get this nice little box for all your cargo necessities. You can start a moving business with this, totally up to you. We do get rear wheels in the back, so rear dual wheels, so you do get the dually body style. You got the mud flaps. It is powered by a 7.3-liter gas engine and has rear-wheel drive capabilities. We do get a nice little step to get into your back here. You got a removable step lift that you can pull out so you can get into your box, and we can just lift this up real quick. You got the latch, lock, all that jazz. Lifting it up, we do get tons of storage for all your necessities. You do get a light that you can turn on or off back here. You do get lights as well as you do get a door that you can enter through the driver and passenger side or through here, totally up to you. All wooden, which is all pretty nice, and I'm just gonna close this real quick, and it's all easily openable and closing. You got these side handles as well, mud flaps on the rear as well. And move to the front here, we do get some trailer tow mirrors, the logo on the front here as well, with that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see we have seating for up to 2 people. We got manual driver and passenger seat. Plenty of door space in the back, windows, mirrors, all that jazz. Your handle, lights, vents, parking brake, hood, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 90,672 kilometers. Got this nice vinyl wrap steering wheel, volume, playback, play forward mode, mute, voice, phone, cruise control, and toggle-free screen. Which you can then go for trip 1, 2, fuel economy, driving assist, settings, and all that fun stuff. We got tons of storage here, or a nice little walkway to get to the back here. Got your latch here as well that you can open to gain access to your box cabin. Cup holders, we got storage, more storage and cup holders. You got your climate controls, USB-C with your hazards, traction, USB again, storage there, storage on the dash, which is all pretty handy, Bluetooth capabilities, voice capabilities, and all that fun stuff. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is B8037, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.